welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Also, I'm sorry for not uploading regularly. Things have just been very busy. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. So the first shade we're going in with is our dark red, and we're just going to place it in the crease in the shape going out. Then we're taking the light pink shade and apply it on top. We're going to blend the two shades together to make sure that we have a seamless blend. Then you're going to take a big fluffy brush, make sure it's clean, and then blend both shades together. Then now I'm applying back the light pink shade to make sure everything is blended well. Now I am cutting my crease with concealer. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook. I will link both of them down below. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Promise I will have more videos up in the future. Thank you. And I applied a shimmery white eyeshadow just for the glitter to have a base. Now for my eyeliner, I applied black eyeshadow and then smoked it out with the two shades I used in my crease. And I applied my glitter using lash glue, lashes, and mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. Hope you all enjoy it. And if you have any questions, you can DM me or leave a comment down below. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for the love and support. Bye.